What is going on, everybody? It is Mike. Welcome back to Tech 24/7 TV. I'm super excited to have you here today because I am unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Went down to the store today and I was actually really surprised just at how many people are in line at the store. Really, I say there's about 150 people there, and it looks deceiving, but I'm telling you, the line wrapped all the way around the store. But less of that and more of unboxing. So here we have the iPhone 12 Pro. This is going to be in gold, my favorite color, gold, and this is 512 gigabytes. I'm actually going to keep this phone for myself, and the iPhone 12 Pro that I'm using right here from this camera is, I'm going to give that to my wife. So we are going to unbox this. Now, I love gold, and I thought it actually still looks the best out of all the other colors that are available, including the blue, Pacific Blue. Now, as I'm unboxing this, guys, I have a lot of other content planned. I have some minis coming in. I have the HomePod mini, so make sure you click subscribe, turn on notifications so you can be alerted when that content drops. Let's go ahead and let's do the thing here. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max case and the iPhone 4S. It's quite comical how small this is. If you're coming from something that was like iPhone 5, this is super tiny compared to this. Look at that. I mean, that's like mini me. This is pretty small, but let's get on with the unboxing. Oh, that sweet, sweet sound. Oh, the angels sing. There it is, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So like I said, it's in gold again. This is just beautiful. This is probably my favorite color. It looks so clean, so crispy. Wow, this thing is actually huge. I wish I had my 11 Pro Max. I actually had to turn it in last night. Yesterday was the last day that I had to turn it in for I do the iPhone upgrade program. And thankfully they don't make you turn in the phone when you leave the store. You have up to 3 weeks, which was yesterday was my last day. And I turned that in. This does feel big. Let's take a look here. So here is this. This is the iPhone 12, right? This is the blue color. So just for some perspective, boy, this is pretty freaking big in comparison. Wow. Yeah, that is quite monstrous. If I do like this, that's a good deal bigger than the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. I mean, that is big. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. We have obviously the USB-C cable, which we all know and love. And we have a bigger package here, the SIM ejector tool, which is standard. And we have one sticker, and this sticker is larger than the sticker that came in the other box, which is kind of funny. All right, so here's this bad boy. Again, this is gold. This feels quite large, and I think it feels larger because of the way that the bezels are, the sides are flat and not rounded. So for me, this is quite big. Wow. I'm just gonna kind of gather my thoughts here on how big this is. So let's put this in a case. Oh, that makes a funny noise. Let's put this in a case to get a kind of a grip on it. I like the way this feels. I like the color, but you know that, right? I like the color, and it's certainly clear because I got two phones of the same color. This is quite big. Okay, let's peel off this plastic here. All right, that display is quite large. Let's see, there's the iPhone 12 Pro in the reflection. Now, while this is powering on, it's gonna take a long time to power on and set up. Setup is never an easy thing. Wow, this is huge. All right, so I'm going to set up this this other phone here using my existing iPhone 12. And all right, we're just gonna put this down here. Now, what I liked about the iPhone 12 Pro was the size of the screen. But for me, at least, I had difficulty typing on it, right? Like, not that it was hard to type, but my hands were used to typing on a larger phone like what you see here. And that's really the reason why I got this over keeping the iPhone 12 Pro, wherever it is. I think, yeah, it's right here. It's so that's the reason why I decided to get this, and also because of the camera being much better on this phone. See here, we're doing the Face ID. Let's transfer from phone. Oh no, actually I want let's go back. Download from iCloud, because I can't transfer from my phone, because actually the phone I use every day is this iPhone 12 Pro that's actually doing the recording, and I don't want it's right now it's in airplane mode, because I didn't want to get any notifications and interrupt the recording, because that would be a total pain, especially for people who are watching this, because it would make that footage unusable. So I have set up my device. Actually, I'm setting it up as brand new. I'm not going to set it up as existing. Let's make sure that there's no software updates on this out of the box. Oh, there is 14.2. All right, so let's go ahead and update that, agree, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so that is downloading. Ooh, will it stay? That's a good question. As long as I don't touch the table, that's probably going to be the thing. So this is quite large. I am very excited to use it and put it through its test, especially from a videography and a photography standpoint, because obviously this has got some advanced characteristics, I guess maybe not characteristics, features. It has some advanced features for the camera lens that the iPhone 12 Pro doesn't have because of the size of the phone, and they're able to put some more stuff in there. So I'm very eager to test that out. Let me know if there's anything specific that you want me to go ahead and test out in relation to the iPhone 12 Pro Max against the iPhone 12 Pro. Now, like I said in the beginning, I got a ton of other content planned in terms of iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. I have accessory builds for some holiday bundles, in addition to some HomePod Mini and home automation stuff. So make sure you are subscribed, turn on notifications, because you want to be alerted when all that new stuff comes out, right? That's the way to go. I am Mike. This is Tech 24/7 TV. It's great talking to you. I'll see you in the next video.